Most businesses spend thousands of dollars on market research. What if I told you that AI can help you understand your customers, analyze competitors, and discover market opportunities in minutes? Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or entrepreneur, market research is essential. The good news? AI has made it faster than ever before. Without research, you're guessing. With research, you're making informed decisions. 1. Understand your target audience. AI can help answer questions like, who are my ideal customers? What problems do they face? What are their goals and frustrations? Example, prompt. Act as a market researcher. Create a customer persona for a US-based travel agency, targeting middle-income families. Within seconds, AI can generate detailed customer profile insights. 2. Analyze competitors faster. Instead of manually reviewing dozens of competitors, AI can help organize and summarize information. Ask AI. What are competitors doing well? How do they position their brands? What opportunities are they missing? This helps identify gaps in the market. 3. Discover content and marketing opportunities. AI can analyze customer questions and trends. Ask, what questions are customers likely to ask before booking a tour package? The answers can become blog topics, video ideas, social media posts, ad copy. 4. Generate survey questions. AI can help create surveys that gather useful customer feedback. Example, create a 10-question customer satisfaction survey for an online travel agency. This saves time and improves data collection. 5. Identify market trends. AI can help summarize industry reports, consumer behavior trends, emerging opportunities. This allows businesses to adapt before competitors do. Important reminder, AI can assist with research, but it should not replace real customer feedback. Always validate AI-generated insights with customer interviews, surveys, sales data, real market observations. AI isn't replacing market research. It's making market research faster and accessible. The businesses that combine AI insights with real customer understanding will have a powerful advantage.